Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to withdraw money from your Palmpay account. Let's get started. First of all, open the Palmpay app on your phone and log in with your credentials if you aren't already logged in. On the home screen, tap on your wallet or balance displayed at the top. This will take you to your account balance page. Next, tap the withdraw button. You will see options to choose the bank account or mobile wallet where you want to send your money. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Select your bank account or wallet and double check the account details to avoid errors. Finally, confirm the transaction. You may need to enter your PIN or provide authentication. Once confirmed, the money will be processed and sent to your bank or wallet. And that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.